at lunchtime in our dining hall, we can have up to 150 people eating at the same time, from tiny 3-year-olds to our teachers, our adult staff, our kitchen staff, our garden staff. So it becomes a very loud and vibrant, festive place. But when it is loud, it can also become very reverberant. And then it's difficult to concentrate on conversations, it's difficult to eat because it's quite distracting, and it can be very overwhelming from an auditory point of view. So what we had to do is have a look at how we could acoustically treat the space so that it was more comfortable to be in, particularly when it was full. So we had to see how can we up the comfort levels and reduce the amount of reverberance in the space. What we did was to clad the walls in an acoustic paneling so that the sound would not bounce off the hard surface but would be absorbed into the soft surfaces of the walls. So this is our acoustic paneling here, and we're really proud of this installation, not only because of the fantastic performance it has given our space acoustically, but also because it epitomizes the way we approach sustainable design and procurement at our school. So this is one of the most interesting stories at school. And for years we've had no light fittings in our dining room. So everything on our campus is made of as natural materials as possible. And this includes all of our lampshades to our lights. And of course you want to put shading over your light bulbs because a bare light is very glary and it creates a lot of glare in a space. So we installed these beautiful lampshades made out of a natural rattan material, very big in diameter. They added to the aesthetic of the space, and we were very, very happy with the outcome. And then a few weeks later, the kitchen staff started noticing dust on the tables. And they would clean the tables off and the dust kept coming back until one day our head of food had a look at the light fitting. And she found that there were wood borer in the lights. So our lights were being eaten alive. And of course in a dining hall you can't have dust falling in the children's food. That's unacceptable. So what we had to quickly do is take down all the lights and send them away to be incinerated, because in a campus that is made from natural materials and timber, the last thing we want here is wood borer that can get into absolutely every wooden finish we have. So it was a bit of a design emergency, and to this day we have still not replaced the light fittings in our dining hall because we have not found something that is close to our hearts and that potentially will not be eaten again by bugs